Why is this a star shape, but not this? Let's find out, and I'll teach you how to make your own origami star. When we say something is shaped like a star, we normally mean it's shaped something like this. It's kind of round, but with a bunch of points coming out of it. We see pointy stars everywhere. We see them on top of trees, we see them on flags, even distant stars look pointy. However, our sun is a star. It doesn't really look anything like this. So why is our sun a star, and we call this a star, when they look nothing alike? Well, it turns out it's got to do with waves, how they bend around objects. We'll get to that, but first I'm going to teach you how you make your own 4-pointed star out of paper. All you'll need is a square piece of paper. You can use any kind of paper you have, whether it be printer paper, wrapping paper, special origami paper, whatever you have. If your paper isn't square, you can make it square by folding it in half like this, and then cutting the excess flap off. And then you're left with a perfect square. Now that we have our origami 4-pointed star, why are stars pointy? Well, it's because light behaves like a wave. So when the light from a distant source moves around an object, it bends slightly and interferes with itself, kind of similar to water waves crashing into each other. This means that the object imprints itself on the light. You see this effect all the time when you try to take a photo of lights and the camera lens is dirty. The lights become all spread out and smeared and pointy. We call these diffraction spikes. When light passes around a straight object, like a slit or a pole, you get a diffraction spike at a right angle to the straight object. If you add more and more straight objects, you get more and more diffraction spikes. If we have a look at the mirror of the Hubble Space Telescope, you'll see that it has 4 struts supporting its secondary mirror. These 4 struts are what cause the 4 diffraction spikes we see in Hubble Space Telescope photos. This explains why stars look like this when they're seen through a telescope. It's because there are 4 struts holding up the secondary mirror. And that's not all. Even our own eyes have small imperfections in them, called suture lines. These suture lines cause light to diffract around them in the same way that light diffracts around the struts in the Hubble Space Telescope. So if you go outside tonight and look up at the stars carefully, you should be able to see small diffraction spikes around the brightest stars. And now you know this is because your eyes are like little telescopes.
Astro 3D is the Australian Research Council's Centre of Excellence for all-sky astrophysics in 3 dimensions. Our astronomers are searching to understand the evolution of the matter, light and elements from the Big Bang to the present day. This Astro in the Home series is your opportunity to unlock the secrets of the universe with your own 2 hands. Find out more by visiting our website, following us on social media, or subscribing to our YouTube channel to be notified whenever we upload new content. Now, go explore the universe.